Have you ever wondered about the diverse world of shellfish? A fascinating question indeed, and one that we are about to explore. This captivating journey will take us through the lives and characteristics of three popular shellfish varieties. So why not buckle up and prepare for a deep dive into the underwater world of these marine delicacies? We promise it will be an enlightening journey. Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating world of shellfish. Our first spotlight falls on the elegant and delicate scallop. Scallops, a fascinating marine species, are found in all of the world's oceans. They inhabit the sandy or muddy seafloor, preferring depths of up to 200 feet. With their unique fan-shaped shells, scallops stand out among other shellfish, embodying an aesthetic appeal that transcends the ocean's depths. Harvesting scallops is a process steeped in tradition and skill. Fishermen, either diving or dredging, carefully collect these bivalves. Divers plunge into the ocean's depths, hand-picking each scallop with respect for the marine ecosystem. Dredgers, on the other hand, use nets to rake the sea floor, gathering scallops en masse. Both methods have their merits and challenges, but the aim remains the same: to source these delectable shellfish without disrupting their natural habitat. Now, if we delve into the nutritional value of scallops, we find they are a powerhouse of lean protein. They are low in fat, high in essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12 and selenium, and provide a significant amount of omega-3 fatty acids. This makes them not only a delicious choice, but a healthy one too. From a culinary standpoint, scallops offer a delicate, sweet flavor and a tender texture. They are highly versatile, gracing everything from fine dining entrees to casual seafood platters. Whether seared to perfection, baked in a gratin, or served raw in a sophisticated carpaccio, scallops are a beloved ingredient in many cuisines worldwide. And here's a fun fact about scallops. Did you know they have eyes? Yes, scallops possess a row of tiny blue eyes along the edge of their mantle, enabling them to detect light and motion. This fascinating feature sets them apart, adding a touch of mystique to their allure. Indeed, the scallop is a shellfish of elegance and delicacy. A testament to the ocean's bounty, scallops continue to captivate us, whether for their beauty, their nutritional value, or their exquisite taste. Truly a tribute to the marvels beneath the waves. Scene script. Next we turn our attention to the mighty lobster. The lobster, a creature of the sea, is a marvel of marine life. These fascinating creatures reside in the nooks and crannies of the ocean floor, from the warm tropical waters to the chilly depths of the North Atlantic. They're nocturnal beings, preferring to hide during the day and explore their surroundings under the cover of darkness. Catching lobsters is an art as much as it is a science. Lobstermen and women lay traps on the ocean floor, baited with fish to entice these curious creatures. These traps, also known as lobster pots, are designed in such a way that lobsters can crawl in, but not out. The pots are then hauled up and the lobsters are carefully sorted, with undersized ones and females carrying eggs released back into the ocean. When it comes to nutritional value, lobsters are a powerhouse. They're rich in protein, low in fat, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12 and zinc. They're a heart-healthy choice as they contain omega-3 fatty acids known to reduce the risk of heart disease. In the culinary world, lobsters are a delicacy and a cornerstone of many regional cuisines. From the classic New England lobster roll to the luxurious thermidor, the lobster's sweet, tender meat is versatile and delicious. They're often steamed or boiled and served with a side of melted butter, allowing the natural flavors to shine. But lobsters are not only about taste and nutrition, they're creatures of fascinating facts. Did you know that lobsters taste with their legs and chew with their stomachs? Or that they can regenerate lost limbs? How about the fact that they can live for over 100 years? Yes, these are the wonders of the mighty lobster. The lobster, a shellfish of strength and grandeur. They're a testament to the incredible diversity and intrigue of marine life, reminding us of the beauty that lies beneath the surface of the sea. Their journey from the ocean floor to the dinner plate is a tale of resilience, survival, and ultimately a celebration of gastronomic delight. Finally, we explore the intriguing oyster. These mollusks have a unique charm that sets them apart in the shellfish world. Oysters are intriguing creatures, not just for their culinary value, but also for their fascinating life cycle. Oysters are found in oceans worldwide, but their habitat can greatly influence their flavor. This is due to their ability to filter up to 50 gallons of water a day, absorbing the taste of their environment. They can be farmed in two ways, either by cultivating them on the ocean floor, known as bottom culture, or by raising them in containers or mesh bags, referred to as off-bottom culture. These bivalves are a nutritional powerhouse loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in vitamin B12, zinc, and selenium, making them a beneficial addition to a balanced diet. However, it's their reputation as an aphrodisiac that often steals the spotlight. This belief dates back to ancient times and is partially due to their high zinc content, a mineral important for testosterone production. Culinarily, oysters offer a unique experience. They can be enjoyed raw, steamed, baked, or fried, and each preparation method brings out a different facet of their flavor. Whether you're slurping them fresh from the shell or savoring them in a rich, creamy stew, oysters are a versatile and delectable treat. But the intrigue of oysters extends beyond their taste and nutritional value. Did you know that oysters can change their gender? They typically start life as males and later switch to females. And let's not forget their ability to produce pearls, a process that occurs when an irritant becomes trapped inside their shell. From their salty sweet taste and nutritional punch to their gender-switching abilities and pearl production, oysters truly are a marvel of the marine world. They embody the perfect blend of mystery, intrigue, and culinary delight, making them a fascinating subject in the shellfish family. The oyster, a shellfish of mystery and intrigue. Having explored these three popular shellfish varieties, let's summarize what we've learned. Our journey through the shellfish world began with the delicate scallop, a bivalve mollusk known for its sweet, tender meat. Nestled in a beautiful fan-shaped shell, scallops are a treasure of the sea. They make their homes in the sandy seafloor, and they're harvested by divers or dredges. Nutritiously, scallops are a powerhouse of protein and offer a good dose of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Culinary-wise, they are incredibly versatile. Whether they're pan-seared, baked, or grilled, scallops are a gourmet delight that adds a touch of elegance to any meal. We then moved on to the mighty lobster, a crustacean that reigns supreme in the culinary world. With their tough exoskeleton and powerful claws, lobsters are the warriors of the ocean floor. They are caught using baited traps and are a source of high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals. Their rich, succulent meat is a star in dishes ranging from the classic lobster bisque to the decadent lobster thermidor. Lastly, we dived into the intriguing world of oysters. These bivalve mollusks are unique in their ability to produce pearls. They inhabit marine or brackish habitats, and they're harvested either by dredging or hand-picking. Oysters are not just tasty, but also packed with nutrients. They are an excellent source of zinc, iron, calcium, and selenium, and are celebrated for their aphrodisiac properties. Oysters can be enjoyed raw, baked, fried, or steamed, and they lend a briny, oceanic flavor to dishes. In closing, each of these shellfish, the scallop, the lobster, and the oyster, brings something unique to the table, both in terms of their characteristics and their culinary uses. They are a testament to the diversity and richness of our oceans, offering a cornucopia of flavors, textures, and nutrients. And that, my friends, is a brief tour through the world of scallops, lobsters, and oysters. As we close our shellfish journey, we hope you found it as fascinating as we did. These creatures, the delicate scallop, the mighty lobster, and the intriguing oyster, are more than just delicious delicacies. They are wonders of the ocean, each with their unique characteristics and stories to tell. In our journey together, we've barely scratched the surface of the ocean's bounty. There's a whole world under the sea, teeming with life, waiting to be discovered. And what better way to explore it than through the lens of our culinary curiosity? Our journey doesn't have to end here. There's a trove of other shellfish varieties and oceanic delights to discover. We've curated a playlist for you to dive deeper into the captivating world of shellfish. From the humble mussel to the extravagant abalone, there's a shellfish story for everyone. Engage with us, be part of our community. Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any of our future journeys. Share this video with your friends and family. Let them too experience the wonders of the sea. And don't forget to comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts, your questions, your favorite shellfish dishes. The ocean is vast and diverse, full of mysteries and delights, and we're here to help you navigate it one shellfish at a time. Thank you for joining us on this shellfish journey. Remember, the ocean's bounty is vast and diverse, just waiting to be explored.